Hey guys, welcome to Rudy World. So, I usually do a regular full-length edition of a topic, and then I usually try to do a compressed topic. However, this is a ongoing Saga story, except this is a shorter. This is the part 2. You can check out my part 1 on my fake CPUs and how to work with them. Here's what happened next. Again, the company was pretty awesome. In the end, they actually refunded me my money, and which I really appreciate it. So I didn't mention their name. I didn't mention some of the other issues I ran across and what actually caused that. You can all check that out in part 1 of this. Part 2. So, after this, I went back to Intel. I started looking at to get my computer, and I'll show you the sites as we go. This is what the box is supposed to look like. This is from a company off of Amazon this time. This is the bad CPU. This is what I was sent now. This is supposed to be a brand new CPU. Unmarked, untouched. Well, first off, this box and this box look nothing alike. Just saying. I don't understand. So let's go through the process of how to spot a fake CPU. First off, one giveaway should be if you get crap like this. This is going straight back to Amazon. The good thing about this is I did try it out. This one actually works. However, it's destined for China. Let me show you how this works. Okay, so first off, here's how we found it. Let's see where we're going to go with this. You go on Intel's webpage, you will see the chip that I'm looking for. Down here you can see the places you can get it from, along with all the specs towards the bottom. I'm not going to bore you guys with that one. You click on it here, and you can select what you want. So out of the 5 companies here, 4 of them out of stock. 1 of them actually had it, and that's the one I'm getting from. I'm not providing advertisement for this. This is how that works. So, once you get your chip in, here's what you need to do. Here is Intel's warranty verification tool. As you can see, there is a huge problem here. This is what showed up when I put in the serial number and the lot number. So this is a boxed i9. It definitely is not boxed. That's a little cheapo plastic thing. Processor, and it says, for China. This matches, this matches. Here's the problem. This thing is supposed to have a 3-year warranty, a brand new one. I'm recording this on July 18th, 2023. This thing expires a year from now. And with this thing saying for China, I'm guaranteeing that we will not have any good success in getting this to actually work again. Problem is, when you're going out and you're trying to find a processor, this has been a very difficult deal. Again, I've been building computers for the last 20-something years, and I've never had a nightmare like this. Here are my tools here that I use. First is the warranty validator, and I will go ahead and put these in the description. The other one is a scanner here, the one on the bottom. So what you'll do, and we'll go over that here in a second as well. Actually, we'll go over that right now. Okay, so the way this works is when you get your processor, and I have to kind of go in between these guys, there's a lot number and serial number on your packaging. That same lot number and serial number also shows up on the chip itself. It's right here. It's hard to read. It's right there. Just trust me. Now, down here on the bottom here, you'll see a tiny little R4. Might be able to make that out. And there you go. And you can actually see that code there, that those little dots and squirrels right there on. See if I can point to this from here very carefully. Right down here. Here we go. That little thing right there is what's used to scan. You can download that tool, and I'll put it in the link here, and this will validate your stuff. The problem with the first set of CPUs that I got, the first 2 actually, is the lot number and the manufacturer stuff was right. It matched, and that's why I was able to send it in and do an RMA. However, when Intel received it, what they did is they scanned that little thing, and it's a proprietary scanning code, it came up with total garbage, and they said, oh, therefore it's fake, and we're not going to support you. So, moving on. This is the video from my previous deal here. Counterfeit Intel 9 CPU. And this is what I'm talking about. Here again are the two. Now, if the CPU works and it's working properly, you can use this one. If it's not working, you can use this one here to actually scan it and see if it's a legit deal. This describes what I actually was telling you, and this is under support from Intel's website, and it shows you that marking that I told you about. So you can see the stuff matches. The thing is, once you get, this is the stuff that's printed on the box. Apparently, according to Intel, this is hard to forge, or virtually impossible to forge. So therefore, once you look at it and you scan it, it should match these numbers. If it doesn't, Intel will most likely confiscate it, and you're back to square one. Anyway, guys, my saga continues. I now have ordered the fourth CPU in this class. For some reason, there seems to be a shortage of these, and I'm hoping that this is the last one. At least I know that the motherboards I have are now working. I'm just waiting for the fourth and hopefully last CPU in this saga. If you guys have any questions, I don't like to be ripped off, and I'm sure you don't either. Hoping that you guys can find some use to this video. Thanks for watching. Here to help you do stuff and things, even in this CPU world. Thanks for watching. Take care.